In the shimmering world of frosty shores, where the snowflakes danced like tiny stars and the icebergs glowed under the aurora, lived a young penguin named Pixel. Pixel was curious and full of ideas, but he found it hard to share his thoughts and play with others. He watched from a distance, wishing he could find a way to connect and make friends. One day, Pixel heard the elders speaking of a legendary place called the Rainbow Iceberg, a magical spot where it was said that anyone who reached it could find the confidence to share and connect with others. Pixel's heart fluttered with hope. Perhaps this was the answer he had been looking for. Determined to change his story, Pixel decided to embark on an adventure to find the Rainbow Iceberg. He packed his little satchel with his favorite snacks and a notebook filled with his drawings and ideas, hoping to share them with friends he might make along the way. Not far from Frosty Shores, Pixel met a seal named Sammy, who was trying to balance a snowball on his nose. Pixel watched, amused, and before he knew it, he was laughing and clapping. Sammy noticed Pixel and, with a friendly grin, asked if he wanted to try. Pixel was hesitant at first, but he took a small step forward and joined in. To his surprise, he was good at it. Together, they laughed and played, and Pixel shared one of his snacks as they sat side by side, talking about their favorite games. Encouraged by his new friendship with Sammy, Pixel grew more confident. As he continued his journey, he met other creatures, each with their unique interests. With Bella the beluga, he shared his fascination with the stars. Together with Oliver the owl, they discussed the different colors of the auroras. With each interaction, Pixel opened his notebook and shared his drawings, finding joy in the exchange of ideas and dreams. He discovered that by sharing a part of himself, conversations flowed more naturally and friendships blossomed. Finally, after many adventures and countless shared moments, Pixel arrived at the base of a glowing iceberg. As he climbed to the peak, the ice beneath him began to shimmer in every color imaginable, reflecting the friendships he had formed. Standing atop the Rainbow Iceberg, Pixel realized the journey itself had given him the confidence and skills to initiate interactions and share his interests. The magic wasn't in the destination, but in the friendships he had developed along the way. Upon returning to Frosty Shores, Pixel was not the quiet penguin who watched from the sidelines. He was eager to share his adventures and the tales of the friends he had made. He organized gatherings where everyone could share their interests and ideas, creating a vibrant community where everyone felt connected. Pixel's journey teaches us the importance of taking small steps to initiate interactions, share our interests, and the value of friendship. By opening up and taking part in shared activities, we can discover common ground with others and build lasting connections. Thanks for joining us on this magical journey. If you enjoyed our story, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more enchanting tales. Your support helps us bring more adventures to life. See you in the next story.